Let's learn how to talk about the present moment.
Viúvo. Viúvo.
Means widower in Portuguese, referring to a man whose spouse has passed away. Its feminine form is
Viúva.
which means widow. So far, we have seen that the adjective
Viúvo
means widower in Portuguese, used to describe a man whose spouse has passed away. To describe more than one person, we use the plural form
viúvos.
which means widowers in Portuguese.
Ele. Nós somos viúvos. Agora. Agora.
Means now in
Agora. Eu estou solteiro agora. Eu estou casado agora. Nós estamos apaixonados agora. Eu estou feliz agora.